Hey rock stars, it is Chelsea. I am making a video today on how to create a business Facebook page, which all of you should have if you are loan officers, because it really can help you to reach a lot of people quicker, easier, and with little to no cost. Setting up a page is free, and the only thing that costs money is if you want to boost or advertise on your Facebook page. So anyways, I'm just going to get started. I'm creating a page for Valerie Miller in our Chattanooga office today. And what you'll do is you'll just log into your regular Facebook account, and I already have our information logged in, so I'm just going to log in here. And then once you get inside your page, you're going to go right here. There's a Create tab, and you're just going to click that, and you're going to create a page. And it's going to ask you if you want to do a community or public, if you're doing a community or a public figure page, or a business or brand. So obviously we're going to choose a business. And the page name, I've already saved this. And if you guys ever want to refer to someone's page to make sure it's correct, you can go over to Sean's page. I just copy all the formatting off of here, and you can go through all of these different tabs and just figure out what all he has filled out, and that'll pretty much give you an idea of what you need on your page. But for Miss Valerie, I've already locked this information into my OneNote for her, so I can copy and paste it. What you'll need is your first and last name, your title, the company's name, and then your NMLS number. That's to be compliant with our company. So just make sure you fill all that out. Sometimes, for some reason, when I try to put it in like this, it will kick it back. And so if that happens, I think I just have to remove the NMLS number and then go back in and enter it later. So anyways, I'm going to put in mortgage, and then mortgage brokers or loan services, either one. I think that a mortgage lender and a mortgage broker are different. So if you guys need to go in there and change this after I do it, then that's okay. I'll do loan service for now. And then I have to find the Chattanooga's address. I forgot. Let me go back. I think I had y'all's page up right here. And let me see if y'all's location is in here for me. Sure it is. You get that right there. $37421. See if I can remember that. Okay, and then I'm going to put Valerie's number in here, which I have also, I think, in that OneNote tab. Let me see. Nope, not in there, but I did create this little thing for her. So here it is. I'm just going to copy and paste that as well. All right, so I'm going to press continue, see if it'll let me go to the next page. Yeah, I think the main thing that might reject you on that name might be if it's too long. So sometimes if your name's really long or your title is, it'll kick it back to me too. So anyways, you can choose to upload a profile picture, which you guys do want to do on here. So people just get familiar with seeing your face. And I'm going to go to desktop, and I have all of your pictures saved in here. But just to make it more fun, I might even choose the little thing that I just made for Valerie. Let me see here. I have LO projects. Sorry, guys. See if it'll let me use this. And then you can upload a cover photo. And we have a ton of cover photos that you can choose from on the on Mona. And so if you don't like the one that I set up for you, then you can go in there and change it yourself. And so those are also in the loan officer projects. And then I have one that says team, where I put all of y'all stuff that I post for you. So let me see if I can find any banners in here. That'd be cute. This is one of my favorites. I use this one a lot. So Alright, so as you guys can see, I don't know why I didn't update the cover, but I can do that in just a second if for some reason it didn't upload. There it goes. Alright, so now she's got a cover. It just needs to probably reload or something. Let me see if it'll come up this time. There you go. Alright, like I said, you can change that out. You can even get marketing to create a customized banner for you. And then once you start your page and you get all your information filled out, I'll let you guys go in there and fill this out most of the time, but you can just look at, let me see here. Sorry. Minimize it a little too small. Okay guys, so like over here on your left hand side, you're going to scroll down and you can see all the different options of what you can like add to your page. You can create events under this tab. And you just go in there and you'll put the details. You can invite people to those events. You can obviously upload any photos that you want, create your own albums. Like if you hold an event and you want to put some pictures in, videos, this would be like your good place to put your marketing videos. Here's your reviews tab. Obviously, whenever people go and post reviews, you'll be able to see them here, but it also display on your front page. And then post, you can manage your posts through this page and see what you have. There's other things like publishing tools up here as well, which I'll do in a whole nother video on this, but you can go up here and see like how many people you reach and how many clicks that you get on each post that you make. And then you can also go up here and create more posts. And one of my favorites is you can schedule posts. So like if you want to post every day, but like say Monday you have more time than you do the rest of the week, and you can go ahead and schedule posts to go out every day or however many days that you want. And then I have a chart that I can send you guys that tells you what the optimum times are to post on Facebook where there's the most traffic, so you'll reach the most people. So anyways, that's another thing that they offer. So I'm just gonna go back here and show you guys where to add in your info for your page. So again, like sometimes it'll like draw these back up, so you just push see more, and then right here in the about section, you're going to want to fill this out to tell people more about your business, and maybe even just add some little stuff about yourself. One thing that compliance requires is that you add a disclaimer to your site. So what we have to do is edit the about section. And you can just, I already got this from Sean's page. He has it in his about section. You see he's got our story and he's wrote a little like bio about himself. And then at the bottom, you just add in your, well, I don't add his NMLS number, but I add in this disclaimer right here. And like I said, that's required by our compliance department. And whenever you do start one of these pages, you need to email BOE Marketing and send them the link so that they can actually go in there and make sure everything's compliant before you go and post the page. So anyways, I'm going to see if maybe, here we go. You can put whatever title you want up there. I'm just doing this for now, and I'm just putting this in our story. And then just for fun, excuse me, I'm going to go ahead and add a new BOE picture, just to make the page look more completed. And then I'll let Valerie can come back in here and change it to whatever she wants. But there's a little cute picture of Bo at least. And then we're going to save and publish. So just make sure you include that. And so that's how you create a business Facebook page. That took me, really, would take about 5 minutes. But I wanted to explain to you guys like how some of the other tabs were and like what you could do. Also, since Valerie is just getting this page up, what you might want to do is go in here and create a post. Like I can create something like this for you guys. And just so you know, like this is going to be like your main page. If you ever want to go between, like this will be your main Facebook page. And if you click on that, it'll take you there. And then right up here, it says your pages. If you log into your account and you don't see your page, you can just go over here to this little arrow and then go down, and it says your pages, and you click on that, it'll bring you to your business page. So sometimes what I like to do is just, like I'm going to add this in here to post on Valerie's regular page and say, and well, I'm going to post that picture that I created for her. Let's see here. Sorry guys, for some reason, even though I go to this folder all the time, I forget where I put it. I think Valerie was at the top somewhere. There you are. I'm going to put this same picture, and I have already typed up something for her for this very occasion. It just says, "Happy Friday, friends. If you have a minute, it would mean the world to me if you could stop by and like my Facebook business page. I'm here to help you, your friends, and family with all your mortgage needs. Let me know if I can ever help you in any way." So just like a sweet note just to try to encourage people to come and like your page. And sometimes it does that and it'll disappear. All right, so I got back to that post, and I don't know what it is about this, but sometimes if you just make it a little more artistic and fun, like people like read your post. I don't know what it is, but I see a lot of the top loan officers do this, and so sometimes I'll do that just to make it a little bit more fun and get people on board. So if it works, I'll do it. Anyways, we'll just do like a little smiley face for now. And let me see, I'm going to correct this. Here to help you. Sorry, I've got butterfingers. With all your mortgage needs. Okay, so I'm going to post this for her, and put one more little smiley face right here. Just a regular one, anyways. And then I'm going to put the link to the page just in case people don't get it from this, but and then you just paste it in there, and then you just go to share. And so that right there is going to like post that on your business page, and then you can go ahead. Okay, so like I said, this will post to your business page, and then if you want to share it to your personal page, which I do for some of you guys because, well, especially for this, because you're inviting people from your personal page to come and do this. And for some, like you can do this right here, which is definitely something you'll want to do, which is to invite all your friends. You can go in here and say see all friends, and you can select all and send a message to all of them, but it goes to like Messenger, and that's great and all, but I don't know about you guys, but I get those requests to like business pages all the time, and sometimes they just literally fall through the cracks because I get so many. And so if you make a post on your page like this, you're more likely to get people to come visit your page. So I'm going to go ahead, and I already selected this to go to Valerie's her personal page, and then you just go to share. So you're going to push share again, and then I'm just going to paste the same post that I just did there on her business page. And then when you go to post, all you'll have to do is go over to Valerie's regular page, and it will be right there. So all of your friends will be able to see that and then come and like your page. And yeah, I'll just give you a little more coverage. So that is how you set up a page on Facebook for your business, and then or a professional page for yourself. And then, like I said, if you want to do this as well, you just go in there and you say see all friends, and it says select all, and then you just write a little message up here, and this gets sent to their inbox. So we could put the same message